The latest leaked build of One UI 8.5 has revealed another interesting change for Galaxy users, and this one focuses on something many people have been requesting for years. Samsung's upcoming software update for the Galaxy S25 series continues to evolve with every new leak, and the newest build introduces a fresh improvement to the status bar. This update aims to make the interface cleaner, simpler, and more organized, especially for people who use two SAM cards. A few months ago, an early firmware for the Galaxy S25 Ultra leaked online. That firmware gave the first real look at One UI 8.5 and showed many visual upgrades that changed the overall appearance of Samsung's software. Since that first leak in September, several newer builds have surfaced. Each one has brought small but noticeable changes to the user interface, proving that Samsung is polishing the update step by step. Now, the latest leaked version of One UI 8.5 adds one more change that will make a difference for dual SIM users. In One UI 8, the status bar shows two separate network signal icons when a phone has two SIM cards. Each SIM gets its own small signal bar, which takes up extra space and sometimes makes the status bar look crowded. Many users felt this design was outdated and hoped Samsung would redesign it. The new leaked build finally does that. In this latest version of One UI 8.5, the two separate icons are gone. Instead, there is now a single unified network icon in the status bar. This one icon shows the reception strength for both SIM cards at the same time. The result is a cleaner layout that saves space and makes the top of the screen look more polished. The new icon design is simple but effective, and it brings the overall interface closer to modern design standards. This change may look familiar to some users because Apple's iOS already uses a similar style. On iPhones with dual SIM support, the network status for both SIMs appears under one icon. Because of this similarity, some people might say Samsung is following Apple's design approach. But the main point is that the change improves clarity and organization, which is what many Samsung users wanted. Dual SIM phones are very common in many countries, and a cleaner status bar makes everyday use more comfortable. With every new leak, One UI 8.5 is becoming clearer. It's not just about a single feature, it's about Samsung refining different parts of its software to match current expectations. Previous leaks have shown updates to the Quick Panel, where toggles and controls are getting a more modern layout. There are also reports that the Now bar might receive two additional features, and Samsung Internet has already been spotted with a new design that fits better with the rest of the upcoming interface. All these improvements suggest that Samsung wants One UI 8.5 to feel more unified, smooth, and visually balanced. The upcoming changes don't stop there. Some users testing early builds on devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 have shared previews of what's new, giving a better idea of how the update improves multitasking and system navigation. The new design direction seems to focus on reducing clutter, tightening spacing, and bringing a more premium feel to the OS. The unified network icon fits perfectly into this theme, showing Samsung's attention to even the smallest elements of the user interface. Although One UI 8.5 is still months away from an official release, the leaks continue to give a clear picture of what to expect. The unified dual SIM network icon may feel like a small feature, but it reflects Samsung's approach of polishing every detail. These improvements are part of a larger effort to make the Galaxy S25 series and other upcoming devices feel more refined and enjoyable to use. As development continues, more tweaks and design updates are likely to appear in leaked builds. Samsung usually reserves final touches for the later stages of testing, so the final version of One UI 8.5 may include even more visual improvements. For now, the latest leak shows that Samsung is listening to feedback and making practical adjustments. Users eager to explore the new Quick Panel layout or other early changes can find detailed previews from testers who have tried the leaked builds. These videos show how the update is shaping up and what kind of improvements Samsung is planning for its next generation of devices. One UI 8.5 is shaping into a smooth, polished, and more efficient version of Samsung's software. The unified network icon is one step toward a cleaner and more modern interface, and it gives a small taste of what the upcoming Galaxy S25 experience will look like.